Hi, Abhi. You're asking something? Abhi, hello. Abhi, you are asking something? Abhi? Okay. So today class, okay, how to connect DBT with warehouse. Okay, warehouse. So DBT connect with Snowflake. DBT connect with Redshift. DBT connect with. So next, what is Google BigQuery? Then what are the other warehouses we can connect with the DBT? Is my voice is audible to you? Yeah, hi
Yes,
Ganesh.
yeah, Madhu.
So other warehouse, what are the other warehouse we can connect with DBT? ETC. Okay. What are the ETC? Databricks. Okay. Databricks. Azure. Synopsys. And Micro. Microsoft. What is it? Anybody?
Fabric.
Yeah. Fabric. Then PostgreSQL. Then SQL Server and Oracle and MySQL and DuckDB. Anybody knows about DuckDB? DuckDB and Trino. So we can connect with these. Okay, so we have Databricks, okay, and Microsoft Fabric, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server, and Oracle, okay, and MySQL, and DuckDB, okay, DuckDB, and Tree. So Snowflake can connect with, sorry, not Snowflake. DBT can connect with Snowflake, Redshift, Google BigQuery, Databricks, Azure Synapses, Microsoft Fabric, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, DuckDB, Trino. So these are. So already know we know right Redshift and Google BigQuery are computed to the Snowflake. Okay, but Snowflake using three cloud providers, but Redshift only one or two. I think Google BigQuery one or two. And if you want to increase warehouse size, we can increase within the 2 seconds, but it will take uh so like 24 to 48 hours in Redshift and Google BigQuery. Okay, as a final thing. Okay, so first, if you want to connect with TBT with Snowflake, what we need to know, what we need to have. Anybody connect Snowflake with DBT? What we need to know? How can we connect? How many ways are there? Anybody who connected with Snowflake? Who connected with Snowflake? Abhi, Arun, Ganesh, Harita, sorry, Nimbala, Vamshi. I think you have connected, right, Vamshi? Vasudha, please talk.
I didn't connect it, Madhu. This is Arun.
Okay. So first we need to know Snowflake fundamentals. Okay. What is the first one? Organization name. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Ganesh. Okay. Organization name. So anybody knows what is the organization name in Snowflake? Where you will get it? Not typing. Where you will get it? Organization name in Snowflake. Okay. And account name. And third one is account identity. Identify. And fourth one is we need username and password. Then role. Warehouse. And need to have database. Then schema. And 10th one is region. And 11 like cloud provider. 12th one is login URL. Okay. And other methods. Okay. And it is like authentication. So here we need to have, we know like authentication methods we have. Okay. So if you can connect with the DBT using username, password, account ID, that is normal. But we need to know some other security methods like authentication methods. Then it means like, oh, okay, you have knowledge and how to handle data secure. Okay. And fifth one is SSO. So these are the methods how we can connect with DBT. So first, we Snowflake login examples. So login using account identifier. So login without email. Login using organization name. Okay, suppose you have you created Snowflake with so mail ID, mail ID at gmail.com. Okay, so you get a Snowflake account. Okay, Snowflake created. Don't create. Okay, but you do not have that device or laptop, you do not have, so you move to India to USA, New York. Now you don't have that email ID, you don't have that email ID, so what you going to do? But you have, so you have account identifier. So using account identifier, like using organization, okay, organization name, okay, and okay, organization name, you have the organization name, okay, organization name, using organization name and using URL and reset password, okay, finding account identifier. So these are the ways you can log into Snowflake account. If you don't have the mail ID, so you created a mail ID, you create Snowflake account with mail ID at gmail.com. So, but you do not have that mail ID. So now we can log in with account identifier and the organization name and using URL and reset password and account identifier. Okay, this okay. Suppose take one example, account identifier. Here we have like XY, okay, and 1 2 3 4 5, okay, and dot US, okay, dot is not typing here. Dot take Mr. Okay, remove the dots. I'm leaving the space. Okay, US East, okay, East, okay, and from one. Then volume. Okay, so this is your account identifier. Okay, so then here how we going to see the account, how we will going to get it. Okay, there are two ways I will show you. First of all, so what we have inside the account organization organization name plus, so then we have, okay, organization name inside plus account. So see, simple, what is organization? My company, okay, production. Okay. So what is lagging URL? Okay. See, HTTP column. So the slash not typing here. Okay. XY. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5, and then again dot US. Okay. East and hyphen one. So dot dot snowflake. Okay. Computing.com. So using this URL, you can log into the account. So this is organization name and production. Okay. I could like explain. Okay. This one is a account identifier. So this is the organization name plus account. And suppose if you have my company. Okay. Okay. My company. So what is the login URL for that? So using login URL is http colon slash slash, this is opposite to this one, xy12345 dot us hyphen est hyphen one dot snowflake computing dot com. So using we can log in. Okay. So first we will check the with this one. So we want to go to Gmail. Okay. And here, okay, yeah. So you can see first we go with this URL. Okay. I'm taking and here. Okay, here delete these things. Okay, we don't need, and up to here. Okay, okay. So we have deleted this. So this is the URL. Okay, here what is, okay? We have this one, right? Sorry. So this is org name, organization name. Okay. This is organization. in this one account name is, this is the account name. Okay. So see, https colon slash slash app.snowflake.com slash cpgijjk relation in this one cpgijk slash vw09375 is the account name. Okay, so we have these details. Then relation account name, this is the URL. Okay, so now DBT connection attach. So like DBT Snowflake, okay, Redshift, BigQuery, Databricks, Azure Synapse, Microsoft Fabric, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, DuckDB, Trino. Okay, so what are the supported DBT adapters? Okay, these all are Snowflake. Okay, and BigQuery, Redshift, Postgres, SQL Server, Spark, Databricks, Athena, DB, click or some other way. Okay, first if you want to connect with some other practical setup, so there are different ways. I'm giving one setup, practical setup for using Python. So install Python. Okay, I'm telling this, connect with DBT with core, not cloud. Connect Snowflake with DBT core. Okay, install. Okay, VS Code. I think everyone aware of VS Code, and install DBT, then install Git and install SnowSQL and install Snowflake CLI and command line. Okay. So then again, what we need, install DBT extension. So these are okay. Steps need to, we can connect with the DBT code, but uh, we are using DBT cloud. Okay, because of nowadays everybody having data in the cloud, right? So we are going with the DBT cloud. Okay, so installation and what we need, connecting DBT Snowflake, like installation profiles.yml. So if I tell that comes when you go with core installation, so just I will type connectivity DBT to Snowflake. The first installation above all, and go to, there is profiles. Okay, profile. Okay, dot yml. Okay, then connection. Connection test we need to do. If it is a success, then it's connected, done. Or any error, like it's failed, so we have done some mistake and troubleshooting. So this is all we can have the DBT code. Okay, and we need, if you want to connect DBT with the Redshift, DBT Redshift. So why I am telling this means we need to know. So then we can have hire any project. We can hire to, they can hire to any of their project. So who knows everything? They won't hire that one. Not only I can show only Snowflake. So that is not enough. Nowadays they are asking Snowflake with the data bricks. Okay. So here we need IAM and host we need, host and port we need, then database we need, and user we need, and password we need, then we need SSL and profile dot yml, these things. Okay. And BigQuery what we need. Okay, I will type only, it will take time only. I will type BigQuery, Google BigQuery. Okay, GCP project. Okay, service account BigQuery, and JSON key and data set. Okay, region and authentication, authentication. We need these things to connect with the vehicle. So after that, we can connect Azure, okay, Synopsys, okay, and we have Databricks, okay, and we have Microsoft, Microsoft Fabric, okay, and PostgreSQL, SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL. So can DBT connect to multiple warehouses? So they won't ask me to. Can DBT connect to multiple warehouses? Warehouses. So they won't ask question like this. So yes or no. So answer is yes. DBT can connect to multiple warehouses. So multiple profiles, multiple targets, multiple environments, dev, QA, UAT production. Okay, these. Okay. So once I will type the architecture, okay, real-time architecture here. So real-time architecture. Here go with like Oracle, okay, and SQL Server, okay, then AWS S3, then again Snowflake. So again, I repeat means it should need to feed in your brain and DBT. Okay, here after that created layer, then Power BI, okay, tab loop, okay, Power tab. Okay. So this is like query architecture. So we have for every different one, different architecture. Here we can do end-to-end healthcare project, end-to-end bank project, end-to-end retail project, end-to-end recent insurance project, end-to-end healthcare plus retail project, end-to-end power project, end-to-end business requirement project. So what are the DBT commands? What are the DBT commands? See, we have DBT init and DBT debug. Hello, hello. So DBT init and DBT debug, and DBT tips for packages, and DBT seed to load CSV files into Snowflake, DBT run to run the all models in the Snow DBT test, DBT snapshot to access the historical data in the DBT. So DBT build, so DBT DAX to generate the documents, okay, and DBT docs, okay, store, okay, and DBT third, right, and DBT compare. So we need to use lowercase. I'm typing here uppercase, but we use only lower. It won't work with uppercase. DBT clean. So these are the commands, okay, and we have files are like profiles, profiles dot yml. So keys are not typing some keys, and we have DBT project, okay, underscore DBT underscore project dot yml, it is, okay. So we have like Ginger, okay. Then again we have the macros like formulas, A plus B whole square, like that, and variables and seeds, snapshots, incremental models, okay, incremental models. Okay, tomorrow we do complete practically, then we will get everything. So metallization. So we use table FML incremental. These are table view, table view incremental FML. Okay, and test documentation, CA CD. Okay, CA CD integration. We have this thing, and again GitHub. Okay, then again GitLab. Okay, and everyone create one GitHub account. Okay, and Azure. Uh, we have Azure Synopsys software as well as and Synopsys using sorry, Azure DevOps. Okay, then we have Jenkins. Okay, so other for scheduling, what we going to use for scheduling with the DBT here. Scheduling. Okay, the DBT cloud. So this is we can use directly we have in the DBT and first the preference to for scheduling we use Airflow. Okay, here we use Airflow. So then DBT cloud jobs. Okay, then again Azure Data Factory. So, and AWS, okay, and step functions. So these are okay. And what is AI integration with AI integration with DBT? So ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot, Copilot, and then again we have okay, Claude AI, and Gemini, and Cursor AI, and we have other like Windsurf, Snowflake, Cortex AI generated SQL, AI generated DBT models, AI documentation, AI test. So these things, okay. So now we have pasted right URL. Okay. So open this one. Okay. So we can get account URL and account item from this URL. And if you want to see in the Snowflake, tell me. Hello, any? Okay. So this from the URL we are getting, but how are you going to get it from this? We go to here account. You can see AWS VW0937. So we connect with AWS. Suppose if you connect with okay Azure and GCP, it will show you. Click on this one. Okay, no, this is not right. Wait, loading. Go to here, go to account. Okay, here you can see view account details. Okay, so this is the account admin. Okay, so in URL we going to have a slash, but we do not use slash if we are connecting with the DBT. If you are connected with any other tool. Okay, we are not using slash if we are connecting Snowflake with any other tools. Okay, we use only hyphen. And suppose if you want share, data sharing, okay, data sharing account anywhere is you use dot. So first part is the part one is organization name and part two is account. So this is completely account server URL. Okay, CPJ this one. Okay, URL this account network hyphen sorry narration name hyphen account name okay dot snowflake compute.com and login name time variant hall and the role account admin account locator here we have hv16 okay 228 so we this value this account and locator we do not have in this url okay And cloud platform we have choose while creating the Snowflake account. AWS edition I choose it first time like business critical. So for the classes. So now what we do, copy these font. Okay, open. Okay, no need. I'm opening other mail ID. Okay, that will be good, right? Paste here. Okay, so it asking for the see here you can see this is organization name account. Okay, I'm typing time variant hall password. So why not remember what I type? Wait a second. Okay, 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 think results not for time and variant at the rate of 1, 2, 3. So if you have this one, okay, I'm pasting here. Human be that okay. Now we are logging with a different another okay. So this is actually I have created this over here, but I'm logging with another mail ID. I mean I'm using another mail ID, not using with this mail ID. Just I'm using another browser. Actually, I created in this browser, okay, and I'm using another browser. So just I have that one, okay. So I'm pasting here that okay. You can log into account. Okay, everyone can log into my account and use username time variant hall. Okay, and password is time variant at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have tested in the chart. You can use those credentials and you can try to log in now. Okay, try to log in now. Okay, so this is how we can log in. So now how we going to connect with DBT? So okay, this is 3. So now okay, we will continue, no problem. So I thought I need to use someone mail ID. So I will check with smart not created. I think it is not created. So I'm taking his mail ID. PLA 74978. Okay. DBT cloud. Okay. And go to here. You can see DBT Labs. Okay, click on this one. So get started, book a demo, get started free. Okay, so click on this one. Mm, not not okay. Get started. Download extension. Cursor CLI in browser. Okay, start in browser. So email I'm giving this one. PLS 74978@gmail.com. Okay, so here I'm changing this one. Sometimes if you these are match with your mail ID, it will throw the error. Okay, and yeah, variant and giving hall. Okay, and company name I'm giving IBM and so password I'm giving like same. So we use right time. Okay, type on this. Copy this one. Paste, paste. How do you hear about? Okay, see, search engine. Okay, I agree. I'm not a robot. Create my account. I'm clicking create my account. Okay, save. So resend verification email. I'm clicking this one. So everyone rejoin with the same link. Everyone rejoin with the same link. Everyone rejoin with the same link.